how to delete a comment on Instagram. On your own Instagram post, you can delete both your and other people's comments. On other people's posts, you can only delete comments that you have written. You can always delete comments you've made on other people's posts. And you cannot delete comments from your friends on the other people's posts. Okay? So, to delete a comment from your own post, here's the tutorial. Open Instagram app on your mobile phone. Choose your profile by click profile photo on the bottom right. Choose your post and then open the comment. Tap comments below the post or any comment. Tap the comment and click delete. So the comment deleted. Okay? And that is the tutorial. Hopefully it works. Okay? And don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next videos and bye bye.